Hello, this is day 5 of my 31 days challenge. Yesterday on day 4, I got to country Sri Lanka and this was the artwork I did, a mask, and for today's topic, I'll choose one. Jamaica. I'm very excited for this country. Let's see what I can come up with. So let's go. Jamaica is a Caribbean island nation with lush topography of mountains, rainforests, and reef-lined beaches. Jamaica is known as Island of Peace and nearly 1 million tourists visit this country every year. My artwork today is inspired by Jamaica's flag, national flower and national bird. Jamaica's flag consists of a gold satire which divides the flag into 4 sections, 2 of them green and other 2 black. It is very interesting that currently this is the only national flag that does not contain a shade of colors red, white or blue. These colors are interpreted as follows: gold for the shining sun, black reflects hardships, and green representing the land. The Jamaican motto is, "Out of many, one people." This is as the tribute to the unity of different cultural minorities inhabiting the nation. Jamaica's national flower is the blue maho. This flower is indigenous to the island and grows quite rapidly, often attaining 20 meters of height or more. So basically the flowers I am trying to paint in my artwork are blue maho. Now, Jamaica's national bird. It has a very interesting local name. It is called as Dr. Bird. This bird is a red-billed streamer-tail, scissor-tail hummingbird, which is again indigenous to Jamaica. This is one of the most spectacular hummingbird species for sure. This bird is covered with shimmering green and black feathers. I found it very interesting because these colors also match with the country's national flag. Jamaica's lush and peaceful beauty, this unique species of hummingbird, and the beautiful flower are without a doubt the source of national pride. This was yet again a very interesting painting. Please let me know what you think of this in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.